Hello guys, let's take a look at mechanical pencils. I have three different ones. This one is 0.7 mm. It even comes with 5 free pencil leads. This one is also 0.7 mm needle or nib. This is a 0.5 mm and it's from Camlin. The first one cost 16. As you can see, all the prices and the thickness. Let's take a closer look. All of them come with the eraser at the end of the pencil, and all of them have same mechanism. For 16 rupees, it's an amazing deal. It's like having around 6 pencils. I don't know why we still are using the wooden ones when this is so much more convenient. No more sharpening, and this is the another one from Celio, and this costs around 8 rupees, but you only get one pencil lead. This too works quite well. Once you're done, you can even put the remaining lead back in by pressing and holding and pushing the lead in. This is the one I prefer. It's 0.5 mm thickness. It also comes with an eraser. And it makes quite a fine drawing. And you also get a much darker color with 0.5 mm. Such low prices, it's still amazing that we still use wooden pencils. Please switch to mechanical ones. Check them out.